Yeah, this comp's just got a good friendly vibe around it. The sun's out and yeah, just everyone's having a lot of fun.
The level of competition is good and the quality of surfers are exceptional. It's a great platform, it's a great competitive platform for the kids and also fun.
I'd like to thank Dad for bringing me up here.
I like the Subway cookies. Yeah, I'm really happy to have won. A real big confidence boost. It was really tricky conditions. It's a big win against like really strong competitors, so I'm stoked.
It's so tough for everyone, like everyone had to surf the same stuff, so if you could get a couple of waves, kind of take the pressure off early and just sit and wait for the good one.